2012 Ford Edge V6, non-turbo. It's got manifold converters there and there. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. Then we did a resonator delete and did a muffler delete and put a Y pipe in its place there with 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, into 4-inch tips. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you dual them out. Hopefully it'll sound really nice. You want it as loud as possible. Ford Edge, limited. There's the sound decibels, go ahead. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. How you like the sound. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. It opens it up. Out of a Ford Edge, dog. Hell yeah. Get on it, okay?